Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Komal and you are watching my channel Komis Kids Cartoons. Dear friends, first of all, thank you very much for those who have subscribed my channel, and for those who have not subscribed yet, then kindly subscribe my channel please, and so that I can reach every video that I make. And if you like my video, then you must like it too. Today we will learn how many days there are in a week and also learn the names of those days. So let's quickly start our video. Dear friends, there are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Repeat once again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So dear friends, how did you like my video? If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video must. See you in the next video with a amazing topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.